Hello, and thank you for joining me to learn a little bit more about YouAttest. YouAttest is a cloud-based identity management tool that allows you to run reports to meet SOX compliance issues or identify any sort of segregations of duties necessary for your company. As mentioned, it is cloud-based, so there's no need for on-premise software to be deployed. This is possible through a simple API integration with your Okta tenant. All you need to provide is a name for it, your Okta URL, and an API key. Moving on to running reports, this could be seen in our campaigns list. A previous report we ran was for the application PeopleSoft. Once you have the integration API tenant, you're able to pull information from your individual applications within Okta to find out user information. Here's an example. When we ran the report for PeopleSoft, you could see an individual breakdown. And at this screen, you can actually revoke or certify access to the application within Okta. If your company's existing controls require that someone else attest for these individuals, you can delegate by selecting the delegate feature and entering in their email here. Once this has been completed, you could go back out to the main campaigns list screen, click the execute feature, and then select OK. This is making changes within your Okta tenant. So now the individuals who we revoked access to PeopleSoft no longer have access to this application. We can see this when we go in, click on their username, and see they no longer have access to that application. More importantly, from an auditor's perspective, you can download a final report as a PDF, Excel, or CSV file. Or if you want to print it off, you could do so here. This is what the finalized report will look like. You can see the action taken place. You can see what date it was reviewed on, and if it was delegated out to another manager, you can see that here. Right here we could see revoked on this date, and if that was revoked by someone who it was delegated out to. These reports are extremely useful in showing that you need to meet SOX compliance matters, or just identifying individuals and who has access to what. Thank you very much. I hope you've enjoyed this demo, but if you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to us. We can be reached at the following email address or phone number, and would be more than happy to answer any and all of your questions. Thank you so much for listening to our video, and we hope to hear from you soon. Take care.